Hey everybody, it's the Ioniq guy. So today's video is going to be a quick one. It's a follow-up about the navigation software update for the Ioniq 5 that allowed for EV route planning on road trips. Now, this update was made available on May 4th and was quickly pulled, and there's some speculation about why that is. Some people think it might be because of bugs, but there is evidence that it is simply server maintenance on Hyundai's side, and that might be the easiest explanation. I can't find the link to that website on Hyundai that I saw where it said it was server maintenance. I tried looking, I can't find it. But I did see that the other day, saying that the server should be back up and running around the first week of June. So I'm gonna hold off on trying to install a side-loaded version of the update. I asked some people if they could send me the files the other day. I tried to update it and it didn't work. So I'm just gonna hold off until it's officially available again from Hyundai. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have it again in a few weeks. Maybe they tweak some things with it. Who really knows? But anyway, just want to let you guys know, stop trying to download it. I keep seeing a lot of confused people asking why they can't find it anymore and why it's not available. So I'll let you guys know as soon as I find out. But if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.